So what if it's us? What if it's us and only us? And what came before won't count anymore or matter. Can we try that? What if it's you and what if it's me? And who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness.
Will you share your life with me for the next 10 minutes? For the next 10 minutes, we can handle that. We could watch the waves. We could watch
It's a bad idea, me and you.
Yeah, totally agree.
It's a bad idea, me and you. I have never known anything so true. It's a terrible idea, me and you.
You have a wife.
You have a husband.
Slowly sing your melody. I sing it loud.
Take me for what I am, who I was meant to be. I was meant to be. And if it was a damn, take me, baby. Take me, baby. Take me on, leave me. Take me, baby. Or leave me. Guess I'm leaving. I'm gone.